Hi, I'm Catherine, part of the training team of Lifelites, and I'm going to introduce the iPad communication applications to you. All of your communication applications are in their own folder called Communication. You will have 4 or 5 applications depending on your equipment package. Let's start by looking at My Talking Pet. In My Talking Pet, you have a number of different features. You can use stock images and animate them, say anything you want. Or you could use images of people or cartoon characters or anything around you. To use a stock image, go into the image of your choice, press the record button and record something you want to say. Hi, my name's Catherine. Press the play button to replay it. You can change the speed or the pitch to change the effects on the voice. For non-verbal children, they can still have a lot of fun. There are stock phrases that can be used by pressing the menu button in the bottom right-hand corner. I'm the king of the world! Let's look at yes, no. Yes, no is a very simple application. It's a very simple grid. When all you need to know is yes or no, you really don't want to be bothered with very complicated communication software, so this is a great alternative.
Yes. No.
It's that simple. Just press yes or no. Let's look at Snap and Call first. Snap and Call first is your main communication grid. You have call words, quick fires, topics, and a keyboard. Using call words, press the word you want to say and it will appear in the phrase box and speak the words to you. Or you can press the speak button.
Yes, please.
You may need to change grid size. Go to the settings button in the top right-hand corner, go to page, and then grid size. You can then alter the grid according to your user from very complicated grids to very simple grids. Click Done when you've got your required grid size. Quick fires allow quick communication. The grid it brings up won't add those phrases into the phrase box, but they will allow your user to communicate extremely quickly and effectively.
How are you? How's it going?
There are many different topics in this section. These all have grids relating to that specific topic.
That hurts. I'm feeling better now.
Some of the topics you might find aren't applicable to your setting or perhaps are not at an appropriate age for your user. If this is the case, select the topic you want to hide, go to Settings and you'll notice on the far right hand toolbar there's a little eye. Select that eye and your topic will be hidden. You can reverse the process to reveal the topic again. There's lots more about Snap and Call and editing in your resource pack. Let's look at Speak Up. The Speak Up application is a visually stimulating, simple game that responds to sounds. It can be used to aid voice development and stimulation. When I speak loudly, the colours will change on the grid or whichever pattern you use. When I speak quietly, then they may not change much. When I don't speak at all, the pattern doesn't change. If you go to the settings button, you can change the sensitivity of Speak Up to suit particular users. We aren't going to go through Grid Player in this training. You may or may not have it on your iPads. If you do, it's because you've got an eye gaze in your equipment package. The training for Grid Player will be gone through in that training.
Now to hand back to your trainer.